Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 9th, subject English, workshop of lesson number 2.1 Comparisons, तुलना. आपण ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये वर्कशॉप सोबतच कवितेचा अर्थ देखील जाणून घेणार आहोत. ह्या जगातील वेगवेगळे विरोधाभास पाहणार आहोत. पण तत्पूर्वी if you are not subscribed my channel then please subscribe to get notification of new video and don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration. Comparisons. या कवितेमध्ये कवीने तुलनांची, विरोधाभासाची एक माळच गुंफलेली आहे. अवकाशयानासारखे जलद, गोगलगायसारखे हळू, इथे वेगाची तुलना केलेली आहे. डायनासॉरसारखे मोठे, खिळ्यासारखे छोटे, इथे आकारमानाची तुलना केलेली आहे. वाघासारखे हिंस्त्र, मेंढीसारखे शांत, इथे व्यक्तित्वाची तुलना केलेली आहे. लिंबासारखे आंबट तर मुरंब्यासारखे गोड, इथे चवीची तुलना केलेली आहे. वाळवंटासारखे कोरडे, समुद्रासारखे ओले, इथे पाणी असण्याची तुलना केलेली आहे. घरासारखे चौकोनी, वाटाण्यासारखे गोल, इथे आकाराची तुलना केलेली आहे. गुहेसारखे थंड तर टोस्टसारखे गरम, इथे तापमानाची तुलना केलेली आहे. रोडरीलसारखे आवाज करणारे तर भूतासारखे शांत, इथे आवाजाची तुलना केलेली आहे. बैलासारखे ताकदवान तर मांजरीच्या पिल्ल्यासारखे अशक्त, इथे शारीरिक क्षमतेची तुलना केलेली आहे. खडकासारखे कठीण तर हातमोज्यासारखे मऊ, इथे खंबीरपणाची तुलना केलेली आहे. सुरंगासारखे अंधारमय, चंद्रासारखे प्रकाशमय, इथे तेजस्वीपणाची तुलना केलेली आहे. रात्रीमध्ये मध्यरात्र तर दिवसा दुपार, इथे कळसाची तुलना केलेली आहे. राक्षसासारखे उंच, वनदेवतेसारखे छोटे, इथे उंचीची तुलना केलेली आहे. पर्वतातील नागमोडी रस्ता तर कपाटासारखे सरळ, बाह्य आराखड्याची तुलना केलेली आहे. एकूण हे जग विरोधाभासानेच भरलेले आहे आणि कवी आपणास त्याविषयी विचार करण्यासाठी प्रेरित करतात. Question 1. List all the adjectives in the poem. Use the comparative forms of at least 8 of them to write new comparisons. 2 of them have been given as examples. Faster than the wind, slower than a tortoise. Bigger than an elephant, smaller than a mouse. Fiercer than a giant, gentler than a butler. Cooler than ice, warmer than a sweater. Sourer than lemon, sweeter than sugar. Question 2. List all the nouns in the poem. Find a suitable adjective other than the ones given here for each of the noun and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. For example, as yellow as lemon, as nice as lamb, as deep as sea, as brave as tiger, as hot as desert, as fine as house, as fearful as ghost, as tough as snails, as delicious as jam, as heavy as road drill, as dark as cave. Question 3. Form a group of 6 or 8. Think of similes using different objects. For example, dry as land, wet as a puddle. Now try to put together the similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. Heavy as an elephant, light as a feather, hard as a stone, soft as butter. Question 4. Write the pairs of rhyming words. Snail, nail. Lamb, jam. Sea, pea. Toast, ghost. Kitten, mitten. Moon, noon. Elf, shelf. Self, yourself. Question 5. Start a collection of items with comparison. Use the following categories. Items with colors. As black as coal, as white as snow, as red as blood, as blue as the sky, as green as grass, as pink as a rose, as yellow as gold, as orange as pumpkin, as brown as chocolate. Items with animals. As cunning as a fox, as brave as a lion, as hungry as horse. Items with objects. As black as coal, as soft as butter, as light as cotton. Question 6. Given below are some idiomatic comparison with like. Can you guess their meaning? Look them up in a good dictionary. You won't find them under like. Which words will you look up to find these comparison? Like a cat on a hot tin roof. Its meaning is someone who is in a state of extreme nervous worry. Like a red rag to a bull. Its meaning something that will cause an angry or violent reaction. Like a cat that stole the cream. Its meaning looking very satisfied and happy. Like water off a duck's back. Its meaning to emphasize that it is not having any effect on the person being criticized. Memory like sieve. Its meaning someone who forgets things a lot. Question 7. What adjective words are used to here to show shape, size, temperature? Shape, round and square. Size, big and small. Temperature, dry and wet. Question 8. Think of common features when you try to find opposites. Some common features: sound, shape, physical power, brightness, height, form, taste, character, size, etc. Question 9. Note the difference between drive and write. Use the two words correctly in your own sentences. Ride, to sit on and be carried by an animal or a two-wheeler. Sentence: I like to ride on a horse. Drive, to sit in a vehicle and forced to go in some directions. Sentence: I drive the car. So friends, thanks.